Hello, we are La Cueva, an online store, and if this is the first video that you have seen about us, please subscribe to this channel because you will help us a lot to get new people. And if you're interested to buy this watch that is in my hand, you can have it by clicking in the link that I will give you below. We have worldwide shipping. In this video, I will show you how can you access to your smartwatch even though you don't have the password, or you have forgotten the password and you are not connected the smartwatch with your phone. I will be completely honest with you guys. This video will work with watches like the one that I have in my hand, not for Apple Watch, but if you want us to make a video about an Apple Watch video, we can do it as well. So leave us the comment below. Well, without anything more to say, we are going to go to the video. Okay, so let's go. The first step that we are going to do is go to the settings and the watch. So there we are going to try to find the password one. Here is in Spanish, but I will translate it for you. So in the T500 it is here like password, and then we are going to set a new password. So in this case, it doesn't matter which password I set on the watch. I will just set one randomly. So 5362. Okay. In this case, the watch is already blocked with a password. We have introduced a password. As you can see, I'm here trying to get access to the watch, but I cannot because the watch will ask me for the password that I have forgotten. In this situation also, I'm not connected the watch with the phone, so I cannot reset the watch. So I am in a big trouble situation. But no worries, my dear friend, I will show you how can you unlock your watch without knowing the password that you had set before. So I will give you some codes. The codes are appearing right now in the screen. The first the one that we are going to use is the first one, which is 00000, 5 times zeros. So I will show you right now. Remember, 5 times 0. So we are going to get access to the watch and we are going to type 0 0 0 0 0 0, and that's it. The watch is already unlocked. So everything is already done. The watch is already unlocked, so we can use it right now, and we are not going to have any issue after. Even though if we have forgotten the password again, we can get into the watch with the same code that we introduced before. Well, we reached the final of this video. Please click on subscribe. That will help us a lot to reach new people. And also give us a like and share this video to your friend who blocks the watch. And we are going to see us again soon. Okay, I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye bye.